Guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make an alcohol burner. What you need is a jar, rubbing alcohol, and a paper towel, and a drill, which is kind of optional. You can bang a nail into the lid to create a hole. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Sorry if I sound weird, I just got home from the dentist. The first thing you want to do is drill a hole in the lid. Like that. Then, the next thing you want to do is thread the paper towel through it after you roll it up like this. That should be enough. The next thing you want to do is pour rubbing alcohol in here about halfway. Also, you might want to drill a vent hole inside, well, on the edge of it. Like that. Now, you set this inside here. Let the paper towel soak it up a bit. I'm going to cover the hole and do that for a second. Now that's a fire hazard. Give me a second. Now, all you have to do is light it. Let me demonstrate this. There you go, you have an alcohol lamp. Thanks for watching this short vid. Bye.